Indiana's abortion law once again under examination in the court system. Planned Parenthood and ACLU challenging multiple parts of the state's near total abortion ban. Fox 55's Drew Fry spoke with advocates from both sides, and they're waiting for a ruling to come down. Drew?
Yeah, we may not have to wait too long, actually, to hear that decision from the Circuit Court in Southwest Indiana, as lawmakers wrapped up arguments late last week. Now, Indiana's current abortion ban took effect less than a year ago, but the few exceptions it lays out are now prompting some debate.
The definitions in this law are intentionally vague.
Laws change, and that takes education. But widening an abortion ban is not the solution for education.
All eyes are on the Owen County Circuit Court as the latest challenge to Indiana's abortion laws comes to a head. Planned Parenthood and ACLU argue that the ban's limited exception, aimed at saving the life or long-term health of a mother, is too limited. Planned Parenthood's Rebecca Gibron says doctors are now put at risk themselves, having to guess if a woman's health is endangered enough to be eligible for the procedure.
Providers are frankly fearful of criminal penalties, losing their licensure, going to jail.
But Abigail Lorenzen with Right to Life in Northeast Indiana says this is just another attack on a law designed to help women.
It's sad to me to see the basis that they're using for this. They're essentially saying that it needs to be widened because doctors are afraid and that doctors are uneducated. Well, the solution there isn't to widen abortion regulations. The solution is to educate our doctors and to find better solutions for the problems that women are facing.
The ACLU argues that Indiana's law actually creates more problems for women, especially those in rural parts of the state who struggle with abortion access. Their lawsuit also asks the court to allow abortions at healthcare clinics like Planned Parenthood. Current law limits the procedure to hospitals or hospital-run centers.
Patients are not able to get access in their home communities. There are only a couple of hospitals, even in the state, that will provide abortion in these rare circumstances, and those are in Indianapolis.
Planned Parenthood says clinics have been performing abortions safely for years, but Right to Life counters that women who are eligible for the procedure will typically need hospital care.
It's always ethical to save mom's life. If mom is in a life-threatening situation, the best place for her is a hospital. The best place is not in an abortion clinic where they primarily do abortions, because if she's in a life-threatening situation, that's not the only thing at play.
Now, the court heard those closing arguments at the end of last week on Friday, and we can now expect a ruling anytime over the next 60 days. We'll share all updates that we have about that as we await the decision and share them with you on air and online, WFFT.com. Reporting live in studio, I'm Drew Fry with Fox 55 News.